yung ano?
Simbahan.
Simbahan. Ito, ba't yung simbahan? Okay.
The Diocesan Shrine and Parish of San Andres, Filipino, Pandiocesis na Dambana at Parokya ni San Andres, popularly known as MASINLOC Church, is an 18th-century Baroque Roman Catholic church located at Barangay South Poblacion, Masinloc, Zambales, Philippines. The parish church, dedicated to Saint Andrew the Apostle, is under the jurisdiction of the Roman Catholic Diocese of Iba. The church structure, a standout among Spanish-era churches in the central Luzon region for having been built with coral stone instead of adobe stone, was declared a national cultural treasure by the National Museum of the Philippines along with 25 other Spanish-era churches in 2001. The parish of Masinloc had its beginnings as a mission founded by the Augustinian Recollects in 1607, making it the first Christian church in the province. It was founded by Father Andres del Espiritu Santo with the guidance of Father Rodrigo de San Miguel, then vicar of the mission in Mariveles, Bataan, who urged the head of the religious group to set up a mission in the present-day site location of the town which was then abundant with plants locally referred to as Hinloc. The original commune established by the Spanish friars is now Barrios Bani and Tuguy. For the majority of its early history, the church became the center of evangelization throughout northern Zambales, even being named by a Recollect chronicler as La Mejor Iglesia y el Mejor Convento, the best church and the best convent, in Zambales. Throughout the Spanish colonial rule of the Philippines, the parish of Masinloc was administered by the Augustinian Recollects, 1607 hanggang 1679, 1713 hanggang 1902, and the Dominicans, 1679 hanggang 1713. The parish was also administered by the Columban Fathers, 1951 hanggang 2000. In 2021, the church was declared as one of the Jubilee Churches of Zambales in celebration of the 500 years of Christianity in the Philippines. In the same year, the parish was declared as a diocesan shrine, making it the first diocesan shrine to be declared in honor of Saint Andrew the Apostle in the Philippines, and the third diocesan shrine in the Diocese of Iba. The elevation of the parish took place on November 30, 2021, in a mass presided by Bishop Bartolome G. Santos Jr., during the 414th religious fiesta of the parish and town.
Ayun guys, oh, ano natin yung pinaka ceiling niya is puno ng mga paniki. Ayun, no, dami. Ngayon lang ako nakakita niya. So, ayun, ang ganda. Kakaiba, puro paniki siya. Ayun, tayo tutuloy na. natin yung kanyang ano dito, ark ni Noah. Ano guys, pasyal kayo rito. Station of the Cross. Ayan, hindi na po natin magsunod-sunod. Ang baba ng kuryente. Yan, Station of the Cross. Ito yung kanilang tripan ng kandila.
Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe. Kindly also hit the notification bell to remind you an update once we have a new uploaded. Maraming salamat. Minsan na din bang napuntahan namin ang inyong lugar, probinsya o ang inyong bayan? Kung hindi pa, samahan nyo kami na tuklasin ang magagandang lugar na sariling atin, dulo pa yan o sulok ng Pilipinas, ating bisitahin. Madami-dami na din kaming napuntahang mga pasyalan at sigurado kaming hindi mauubos, at lalo pang nadaragdagan ang mga tourist spot, attraction, campsites, at mga historical places. Halina, mag-relax, at samahan nyo kami at panuurin ang panibagong episode ngayong week na ito. Kami nga pala ang Team Layasero, ang mahilig maglayas at mag-adventure.